FN key function in laptop. Yes, have you ever used these FN keys into your laptop or computer? These are on my keyboard and you can check out this one is on my laptop. So what the uses of it? If you check out in keyboard, it's showing you FN key over here in blue color, and same way you will find that your keyboard has blue buttons also available with the indicator. You can check out this one is music one, audio decrease, audio increase, audio mute, and next, forward, and pause, play, and home, and many things. So what you can use and how you can use? First of all, press this FN key and I gonna press this music button. Press and hold this key, FN key, and I am pressing music one, and as you can check out, music player is open in front of you. So that means you can use for opening music player. Press and hold FN key and volume increase decrease. You can decrease the volume, you can increase the volume. Over the next button you can mute the volume. You can check out the mute button, and same way in laptop it works. Functions may be vary on your conditions. I'm opening notepad in my system and checking out a function over here, that is FN key. Press and hold, and if you check out over here, there are a lot of num keys, because laptop had don't big num keys like keyboard, but you can use these keys along with that. If you want to use these numeric keys, if you have a lot of habit of using these, then you can check out JKL has 1 2 3. So how we can type? If we type just JKL, it gonna type JKL, but if we have to type it numeric, just press and hold FNK JKL, and you're gonna see it's typed just 1 2 3. So that's the uses, and the same way we can use these buttons along with the FN key. A lot of functions are over there. So that's the uses and function of FN key. Don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to comment down below, did you know this feature or not? I gonna read all your comments and gonna love you. Like, share, subscribe. Bye bye now.